Today we are very excited and happy. We installed our XVIM security system. We have 5 cameras installed in total. Very good, clear picture. Very easy to install. Gives very good detailed instructions how to download the app and also to install it step by step. Very good. The picture is very good clarity. Very happy with it. I am going to show you the security cameras outside to see how they are mounted and installed. Here's one that we have for the front porch to observe and watch as people come to the door. We also have 2 here, one for the sides of the house. The other one is for the driveway. And then we have the others back here, the other 2 for the backyard. In case someone tries to come in the backyard, we can monitor them. Also with our children play in the yard, we can watch them as well. Here's one more camera. Like you can see there how they mount it. Out of the way, no. And then also the last one is right here in our patio area. Very good, appealing, looks nice as well. Okay, I highly recommend this product. Very good quality security system. We enjoy it and love it. And thank you very much.